Hey everybody, welcome back to the Cooking Doc. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman, your go-to kidney doctor, here to help you eat healthier and live better. Today we're talking about 3 of my favorite fall foods, and joining me is butternut squash and little apple here. These are 2 of my 3 favorite foods that may help you lower your blood pressure. Yes, it's true, your diet can make a big difference when it comes to managing high blood pressure. And some of the most talked about foods for high blood pressure are butternut squash, apples, and beets. I like about 2.5 of those. See if you can guess which 2 and which is the half. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman, a board-certified kidney doctor and also the Cooking Doc. Remember, everything we talk about here is just information only. This is not medical advice. I am most likely not your doctor. Also remember this, if you have stage 4 or 5 kidney disease or are on dialysis, make sure you can safely eat these foods because the first 2 we're going to talk about today, they are high in potassium. And the question is, do these foods really help lower your blood pressure? Let's get into the science a little bit and remember the bigger picture. There is no one food or 2 foods that make the difference in your health. Food and healthy living is all about a pattern of eating. Excuse me, buddy. First, let's talk about this butternut squash. This gourd is more than just pretty to look at. It is packed with potassium, which is crucial for lowering your blood pressure, especially if you're in early stages of kidney disease or if you have healthy kidneys and you're just working to protect your kidneys and keep your blood pressure low through diet. A high potassium diet probably works by helping your kidneys get rid of more sodium. And you've probably heard that you need a low sodium diet to help lower your blood pressure, but a high potassium diet may be just as important. So when you eat more potassium and your kidneys get rid of sodium, that lowers your blood pressure. At least that's how we think it works. If you're looking to make butternut squash, try this stuffed butternut squash recipe. It's a perfect fall dish and makes a nice side dish or even a full dinner. And this butternut squash, this thing packs a punch. It has 500 milligrams of potassium per cup, and it's also a great source of fiber, which may contribute to better heart health by reducing your cholesterol. So unless you have chronic kidney disease, high potassium in your blood, or a reason to avoid these foods, load up on butternut squash this fall. Increasing potassium while reducing sodium is one of the most effective ways to lower your blood pressure. Of course, there's butternut squash soup, and if you're overwhelmed by this little thing, you can put it in the microwave for a few minutes, and that will really help you get this skin off much more easily. Nice hack. Next, let's talk about beets. Now, beets is the one that I kind of half like, and they may be a really polarizing vegetable, but stick with me here. Beets contain dietary nitrates, and those dietary nitrates convert to nitric acid in your body. I know you didn't sign up for this much chemistry, but bear with me. Nitric oxide then relaxes and widens your blood vessels, helping to lower your blood pressure. And when consumed in high enough quantities, beet juice and beets can actually lower blood pressure inside the body. And that will benefit you if you have high blood pressure. Maybe. Beet juice, though, is not suitable for all people who have kidney disease, especially those who have kidney stones or high potassium, because they are a high oxalate food and they are a high potassium food. And some people with kidney stones need to avoid oxalates. Let's also face it, is there anything more annoying and painful to cook than beets? I end up making a huge mess and tie-dyeing my whole kitchen when I try to cook with them. So what about beetroot powders or beet juice? Those are certainly ways to get the nitrates from the beets into your system, but there are many questions still. The impacts are likely short-lived, and not all studies show an impact in lowering blood pressure, and we don't have any long-term data on beetroot supplementation. But I can't tell you that those beetroot supplements or juices are really going to help you in the long run. There's also beetroot greens. Those green things on there, those are really high in potassium. And if you don't have to worry about potassium, beetroot greens can help you lower your blood pressure because they have so much potassium in them. Anyone know how to cook beetroot greens? Comment below. Finally, we've got the quintessential fall fruit, apples. Apples are rich in flavonoids, especially the peels. And flavonoids are antioxidants that may lower blood pressure by improving the way the blood vessels relax. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, which is another win for heart health. Lots of fiber is always healthy. However, like the beet studies, I can't tell you that eating multiple apples a day will make a significant difference in your blood pressure and will actually keep the doctor away. We don't know that for sure, but I absolutely do know this. A diet that prioritizes fresh and seasonal fruits and vegetables over ultra-processed foods can help improve your blood pressure, help you manage your weight, help you manage your kidney disease, and get really some absolutely delicious food and recipes. On my website, I have recipes with butternut squash, apple, and beets. Check it out. And there you have it, the skinning on 3 of my favorite fall foods that may help lower your blood pressure. They may not, but they are all very healthy if they are safe for you. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who may want to know what to eat this fall. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman, a board-certified kidney doctor and also the Cooking Doc. Make sure you check out my website, cookingdoc.com. Check out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, a Modern 10-Step Guide to Preventing and Managing Kidney Disease, and I will see you next time.